measuring temperatures is a pretty everyday activity. A quick glance at the thermometer outside the front door and the decision is made. It's time to pack the bathing suits. But unfortunately, summer heat isn't just a reason to rejoice, and our society has far more important decisions to make. To understand global processes like climate change, measuring temperatures outside our front door is, of course, not enough. We need to leave our familiar surroundings, think not locally but globally, and take temperature measurements even in the remotest corners of the Earth, like in the middle of the ocean, and as frequently as possible. For this task, we need a capable helper, and it should be able to fly too. No, not that one, but this one. 800 kilometers out in space, our space thermometer Sentinel-3 orbits. This highly advanced satellite specializes in measuring the emission, that is, the radiation of long-wave thermal infrared radiation from Earth, allowing it to capture temperatures every day and almost everywhere from space. And this is what a thermal satellite image looks like. This is Egypt during a heat wave in the summer of 2023. The more thermal infrared radiation detected by Sentinel-3, the brighter the area appears in the satellite images. The city of Cairo and the surrounding desert appear very bright in the image. This indicates higher temperatures, as warmer surfaces emit more thermal infrared radiation. In the green expanse of the Nile Delta, it was undoubtedly much more comfortable, because significantly less thermal radiation was emitted here. One can only determine how warm it truly is by knowing the material from which the radiation was emitted. For example, a metal roof at 30 degrees Celsius emits less thermal infrared radiation than a roof made of bricks at the same temperature. The data must therefore be matched with land cover maps. Then we can know for sure. We can clearly see here, for instance, unlike areas with sparse vegetation, a dense vegetation cover significantly lowers the temperature of the land surface. Now you can probably imagine the possibilities that such a thermometer in space opens up. Phenomena like heat waves or wildfires will unfortunately be more the rule than the exception in the future. And satellites like Sentinel-3 help us observe, understand, and mitigate their impacts.